Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Weavon oil at home. Applying hair oils to your human hair extensions is a great way to nourish the hair and keep it soft, silky and tangle-free. Weavon oil has the ability to soften the hair and add healthy shine to your hair strand. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to produce Weavon oil, and so if you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. But before we go into the production process proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of your children and do not taste any chemical. Weavon oil can be made from the following materials. These are paraffin oil, glycerin, propylene glycol, vitamin E, lanolin, petroleum jelly and perfume. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 600 ml of Weavon oil. Paraffin oil 500 ml, glycerin 20 ml, perfume 15 ml, lanolin 10 gram, petroleum jelly 100 gram, propylene glycol 25 ml and vitamin E 20 ml. Now let me show you these materials one by one and then we go into the melting process. This is paraffin oil, this is glycerin, this is propylene glycol, and this is vitamin E. This is lanolin, this is petroleum jelly, and this is the perfume we're going to use. Now the first thing you should do is to place your pot on a gentle fire and let it dry off any water in it. Now add the petroleum jelly and lanolin to the pot. Also, add the paraffin oil to the pot content. Now add the glycerin, vitamin E and propylene glycol to the pot content. Stir the mixture very well. Now you can bring the pot down from the fire or simply put off the fire and add your perfume to the pot content. Allow the pot content to cool down for a while and your Weavon oil is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources. That's our TV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.